What's up mga kaproblematic? Welcome to JavaScript Tutorial Series. So before nyo panoorin tong tutorial series na ito, paalala lang na dapat meron kayong kaalaman sa HTML and CSS. Kasi kung wala kayong knowledge about those and nag-jump na kayo kaagad dito, hindi kayo makakasabay sa flow of tutorial series natin. So make sure na may alam dapat kayo doon. And also, just visit our channel and makikita mo na mayroon din kaming tutorial for HTML and CSS. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go! So, ito nga pala ang objectives natin for today's episode. So, onti lang siya since introduction to JavaScript pa lang tayo. So, ito yung mga objectives natin. What is JavaScript? JavaScript and Java. Meaning lang niyan, ano yung relation ng JavaScript and Java? And script tag, and last one is Hello World program. So, let's start. So, what is JavaScript? So, JavaScript is a high-level interpreted programming language that is primarily used to create interactive and dynamic content on websites. So, basically, JavaScript is a tool that helps our websites to do things and not just by show things. So, what do I mean by that? So, basically, ang trabaho ni JavaScript is to put functionalities to the user interface sa isang website. Since ang trabaho naman ni HTML and CSS is to simply put visualization user interface sa isang website. And yun yung mga nakikita natin. 'Di ba? And yung mga functionalities na nangyayari sa user interface na yon ay gawa ni JavaScript. Yes, gawa ni JavaScript. Like, for example, when you click a button, something will happen, 'di ba? Yun ang function ni JavaScript is to put some conditional statements sa mga bagay-bagay sa user interface. And isa pa, nabanggit ko na si JavaScript ay isang tool and not a programming language, no? Sinabi ko dito sa presentation ko na programming language siya and wala akong nabanggit na tool. So basically, in general kasi, most of the people, tinatawag na tool si JavaScript. Kasi tinutulungan ni JavaScript na maging interactive ang isang websites, 'di ba? And doon nakuha ang nickname na tool kay JavaScript. Pero kung pinag-uusapan natin dito ay facts, hindi tool si JavaScript, but rather than JavaScript is a programming language, not a tool. So, next is JavaScript and Java. Ano ang relasyon ni JavaScript and Java? Since they have similar names, pareha sila ng name, you guys might know na they have relations at all. But in reality, wala silang relasyon, guys. Not at all. Because JavaScript is only used to make websites interactive, while Java is used for building large applications like Android apps, desktop softwares, and big systems. So, pragmatic, kung wala silang relasyon sa isa't isa, bakit parehas sila ng pangalan? They have similar names. Kasi, ang rason dyan is because of marketing trick na naganap noong 1990s. Wherein Java was a popular language that time. So when JavaScript was created, they named it like that too to attract attention. But totally, they have no connections at all. JavaScript and Java, they have no relations at all. So, next one is script tag. So, ano nga ba yung script tag? So, the script tag is an HTML tag that lets you run JavaScript code inside an HTML file. So, isipin nyo na lang na yung script tag, siya yung susi nyo para mapag-connect mo yung HTML file and yung JavaScript file. Also, siya rin yung susi mo para makapaglagay ka ng blocks of code ng JavaScript inside the HTML file mismo. And next one is it does not belong to JavaScript. It is part of HTML used to include or write JavaScript in a web page. So, paano natin ginagamit yung script tag? And may example dito. So, ito yung example. As you can see, script tag, tapos sa loob ng script tag is merong hello from JavaScript, parenthesis, double quotation, semicolon, close tag ng script, and alert. So, i-explain ko mamaya kung ano tong mga to. And, ngayon, mapapatanong kayo, paano to gamitin, which is how to declare JavaScript to HTML. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Magbukas na kayo ng mga IDE nyo at magko-code na tayo! So, kung naka-open na kayo ng inyong mga IDE, gumawa kayo ng dalawang file which is HTML file and JavaScript file because we are going to use the script tag as an internal and external. Also, we are going to use the two common ways to see the output of our codes, which is console.log and alert. So, let's start with an internal muna. So, inside the body, we need to declare the script, SUSE. Sa loob ng SUSE, maglalagay tayo ng alert, parenthesis, yan, yan, tapos, semicolon, syempre, save, then, when we run this, boom, tarat. So, ito, ang sabi, blah, 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 says hello world. So, ito, ang tinatawag na alert. So, ito ang output natin. Internal. So, ito ang tamang paggamit ng internal. You need to put script and inside the script, you can create a blocks of code ng Java. So, paano naman kapag external? So, remember, kapag gagawa ka ng external, parang naglilink ka lang din ng external ng CSS, pero dito, gagamit ka ng script. Then, src equal script, yan, tapos save. Then, tandaan mo na ang tamang way ng pag-declare ng external JavaScript is dapat nakadikit lang siya sa taas ng close tag ng body. Kasi yun ang proper way. So, since nakapag-declare na tayo ng external, we need to put this sa console.log naman. So, try muna natin .log, tapos console. Then, here, we need to put hello world. Then, parenthesis. Then, tapos when we run this, wala. Kasi, sa console mo siya ni-run eh. Matik, sa console siya magpapakita. Ayan o. Hello world console. Gets? So, yun ang paggamit ng external. So, try naman natin alert dito. Alert. Yan. Tapos, hello world. Tapos, ayan. Tapos, when we run this, ayan na. X, when we run this, ayan. Blah, blah, blah says hello world. So, ayun lang guys, ang paggamit ng internal and an external. So, kung may natutunan kayo sa video na ito, I hope na may natutunan talaga kayo. And magbabalik kami as soon as possible for another episode for JavaScript. So, ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Hit that like button and subscribe and hit that notification bell para updated ka lagi sa aming mga upcoming videos. And dito na nagtatapos ang ating video. I hope talaga na may natutunan kayo. Bye-bye!